everybody, this is Mystic Jen. I am so excited. I just received today in the mail a new tarot deck. I have not gotten a new tarot deck in probably a year or more, and I'm so excited about getting this one. I have been wanting this forever and a day. It's not open yet, so I've got the plastic on it, but I mean, I am so excited. The back cover, the back of the box, it says Thoth Tarot Deck. It's from, and it says, undertaken in 1938 and completed in 1943. This deck simulates Crowley's inspired ideas on restructuring the traditional pictorial system of the ancient wisdom of tarot. Lady Frida Harris, color-drenched art, deco interpretations, clarity and argument, Crowley's intricate esoteric theories. Instruction booklet includes 2 essays by Lady Frida Harris. And there's a 78 cards, of course, and there's a spreadsheet and instruction booklet. And we're gonna go ahead and open this baby up. Now, I just had them here. And since I got this, I'm gonna be starting my December readings. I think I'm gonna use this deck. Absolutely. For all signs in my, whenever I start my December readings between today and tomorrow. Yep. Okay. Tearing the plastic off. Of course I wouldn't have my waste basket or garbage basket real close. Most of my decks are out of their boxes now, you know, and in pouches or whatever, or stored. This one I may keep in the box. We'll see. Oh yeah. We have, it's a sliding box. Ten card spread. Oh, this is a big sheet, right? This is the Celtic Cross. I'll try to get it open for you guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. How I would fit this on video, the whole thing, I don't know. Rearrange my table, maybe. I read, whoa. Uh-oh, I had a little boo-boo there. I don't know if you saw what I just did, but it landed on my candle. I burned a hole in it. Oh well. Oh well. We'll work with it. That was a big boo-boo. Whoo. But I have the inner emotions and all that stuff. Hidden emotions, secret desires, fears. I read this as advice from Spirit. That's my advice. This is a shadow. Some say this could be the past. Sometimes this is what's working underneath. You know, goal or destiny. That's what's on somebody's mind. Similar. I can't believe I burnt my sheet. Almost did it again. Might have to move that freaking candle, huh? Can't believe I did that, and I did that right on camera, right? Oh, you gotta love it. Gotta love it. Could have burned down the house, huh? Okay, we are moving the candle back. And this is something that I purchased. I can't say, I think I was subconsciously I needed to. This is one of the cards from the deck. However, when I went on eBay, I thought I didn't read the description clearly enough, and I thought I was buying the whole deck, the whole Crowley deck. But in essence, I was buying a single card. When I went back and reread it, it didn't jump out immediately that I was buying just a single card. I finally read where it's a single card. And this is the Ten of Cups. This is the ultimate, this is something that I desire. I want to get back to that. Even though I'm kind of feeling it now, what I'm trying to say is, when I got this, I didn't realize what I was buying. But when it came in the mail, I was disappointed. I wasn't even anxious to get the mail because I knew I was only getting a single card. But once I had it and I realized the Ten of Cups lies within me. It was a message directly that I needed to hear from my angels and my spirit guides. That I have been looking externally for that Ten of Cups, looking to other people to fulfill me, to bring me my Ten of Cups. But my Ten of Cups lies within me. So, I may have overpaid for it, but did I really overpay for this? I thought about it later. That's just a little message there. Okay? Now, to get to, of course, we know it's a little white book. This gives a little bit of information on some background on Aleister Crowley and Leda Frieda Harris. And I will read that personally later. Now let's get into the cards. These ones aren't shrink wrapped. When I first got this box, before I read the back, I'm looking at this. I thought, holy shit! Are the cards the big giant tarot cards? I'm like, what am I gonna do with that? But thankfully, they weren't. The cards inside are shrink wrapped. Let's go ahead and get these opened. It's open without damage, right? I'm such a klutz. I am such a freaking klutz. I am loving it already. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Oh my Lord. Okay, we've got the little white book. This is interesting. I will need to find out what that's about. But the Magician or Magus, the Priestess. Man, this is my card. I have 2 cards in the Major Arcana because with my birth card, it comes out to number 11, which is Justice. In this deck, it is Strength. So number 11 in this card is inner strength, courageous and facing fears, etc., etc. In traditional decks, it is the Justice card. I'm a Libra rising, Libra moon, and I really resonate with the Justice card, regardless. But a 1 + 1 is 2. So when you reduce it down, it comes out to the High Priestess. The Empress. The Emperor. Hello, Aries. The Hierophant. Hello, Taurus. There's the Bull. There's Taurus. There is the freaking Bull. The Lovers. Gemini. Looking for the sign of Gemini in here. Yeah, Gemini's in there. Duh. Hello. The Twins. There's Gemini. I like that this deck, the design of it, gives some sort of aspect or a hint somewhere in the imagery of the zodiac sign. I really like that a lot. Okay, this is where we differ. In traditional tarot, this would be the Strength card. In this one, this is Adjustment. This is the Justice card. And this is card of Libra. See the Hermit. Looking for Virgo in here. Yep. I just noticed this. On the bottom corner, if you can see that. Right in here, they have this Zodiac Association. That is so cool. There's another symbol on here too. I can't wait to dig into this deck and read with it. Wheel of Fortune. This is Jupiter. Here's the Hermit. This is the Hermit. And we have this. We have Virgo, Hangman, Hangman kind of reminds me of Jupiter also because of the way it's formed here. But this is air. Or, yeah, this is a sign of air. Death card, which is Scorpio. Temperance. Art. Trumps. Okay. This is Sagittarius. I love this. My famous card, my Capricorn card. This is the Devil card. This is Capricorn. The Tower. The Tower, it has the energy of Mars. And we have the Star card, which is Aquarius. Moon is Cancer. And also Pluto. I look at this as Cancer and Pluto. course, the sun is the sun. Judgment. Judgment is fire. I believe. I have to double check that. But judgment reminds me a lot of Saturn, actually. The World card, we have a lot of different signs in it. And this is what Crowley refers to as Saturn, is the World card. Okay, I got through the majors. Now, as far as the minors are concerned, there's the Fool. Fool's definitely air. See, we got the Wands, our Ace of Wands, and Dominion with the Two of Wands. Some of these cards actually have keywords on the bottom. Complete with the Four. Strife, yep. Six is victory. Valor was 7. And Mars energy. Mars and Aries, swiftness. We have Sagittarius here, and we have Mercury, strength, oppressed. I am loving this deck like nobody, like you can't believe. Princess, Prince. Man, this deck speaks freaking volumes. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Look at that Knight of Wands. Oh, we have the Queen of Wands. We have the Prince. Okay, wait a second here. We have Princess. And the Prince. And the Queen. And the Knight. Okay. The Prince must be representation. I've got to read about that. Is the Knight supposed to have the King energy? We have the Princess as the page, like? I have to get in the Crowley's stuff before I start my readings. But this deck is Ace of Discs. Change with 2. Work. Power. Worry. There's success as the 6 of Pentacles has success. This is interesting. Failure with the 7. Prudence with the 8. 9 is gain. 10 is wealth. Princess of Discs. Prince of Discs. Queen. And Knight. Definitely got to read about the courts in the Crowley. In this Thoth deck. Swords, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the 6 of swords. Science. That's interesting. Seven. Futility. 8 is interference. Cruelty with 9. Is ruin. Yeah, so this deck I am gonna love. I see it already. See, there's my 10 of Cups. There's this extra card. I need to figure out what that is. Maybe just a decorative card, an art card. But I feel it has something. It could be a blank card of unknown. But that is my opening of my new deck. And rest assured, I am going to be using it in the readings for December. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.